I'm going to go over a couple things with the install of a level kit on a 2016 GMC All-Terrain just to kind of show you what I did. My truck is actually from Canada, so this definitely pertains to more people that are in the northern states. It looks like I have thicker control arms than some of the ones that were made down here in North America. I could also be wrong about that, but I actually did have to completely take the ball joint apart to be able to fit in the spacer. So ideally what you want to do is take the ball joint off, loosen and take off the sway bar at links, and then also the tie rod over here. Again, you're also going to want to loosen the strut bolts at the top, and then you'll be able to fit your spacer in as well. Now the other thing that was interesting is that the bolts did not fit either. I had to go out and purchase longer bolts, so that leads me to believe that my control arms are actually thicker. One thing that I did have a really tough time with too was getting that ball joint off. It took me some solid wax from that sledge right there, but I was able to finally do it with the help of some PB blasters. So I would strongly recommend doing that if you have a truck that is from the north. This is, again, is a 2016. It has about 42,000 miles on it. It's very limited on the rust side, but definitely the cold weather has gotten to it. So I'll come back in a little bit and kind of show you when everything is all buttoned up what it looks like. All right, I'm back. I got everything buttoned up. While I was in there, I did a little cleaning with a wire brush. Lubed up the tie rod, but everything looks pretty good. There's the block in, and we'll see what it looks like all on the ground.